So I wanted to start this video off showing you the lumber yard where I buy my wood. This is a small little urban lumber yard in the middle of Tokyo. He's got about 50 or 100 cords of wood in this little warehouse, and he has to move everything around whenever I come in to buy something. I always feel so bad. I just want a couple of boards, but he has to move everything around like this to get to the boards that I want, especially if it's a specific thickness. This time I went in to buy some walnut for the trim on the table, and also some cherry boards that are a little thinner than the ones that I have, so I wouldn't have to do as much planing for the top. But I really appreciate this guy. He moves everything around just so I can buy a couple pieces of wood. It's really humbling, actually. So anyway, I pan around a second here. You can see all the wood he moved, and that it's in the middle of Tokyo. It's just a small little urban lumberyard. So some other bad news. There was a slow-moving typhoon that came past Japan, so we've been having copious amounts of rain dumped on us for the last 4 days, and I haven't been able to work outside on the bench because it's on the porch. So I decided to do some shop renovations instead. I made myself a sawtill, and I organized my chisels and my files and everything, cleaned up my bench. So that's what all these pictures are about. Everything else in the video is just everything that I got done in the some odd days that I was able to work this week. I made good progress with one half of the top. I was able to take one of the boards and plane it all down, get it all smooth, and also make a lot of the molding that will go around the entire desk. I show all that later on, and also how I attach the molding. If you're not familiar with how to do that, I show the way that I do it. Hopefully it'll be of some use to someone. And like I said, everything is self-explanatory as usual. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. Hit that like button if you can. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.